If you're looking to upgrade your home security in 2026, smart door locks are a total game changer locked with key. In today's video, we'll show you the top 5 best smart door locks that offer advanced security, keyless entry, fingerprint access, and smartphone control. Whether you want budget-friendly options or premium smart locks, we've got you covered. So make sure to watch till the end. Let's get started. Number 5. The X5 Wi-Fi electronic smart door lock is a multi-unlock smart security lock that uses the TTLock app and supports fingerprint, password, RFID card, mobile app, and mechanical key access. It is designed for home doors, apartments, and small offices, offering keyless entry and remote management through Bluetooth/Wi-Fi connectivity. Mobile phone key features. Convenient key management. Manage keys and access remotely through the TTLock app, offering better security and control. Smart home integration. Control your door lock remotely through the TTLock app, compatible with Google Assistant. IP66 protection level. Enjoy peace of mind with a lock that boasts an IP66 protection level against dust and water. TTLock X5 5-in-1 unlock methods. Access your home with ease using Bluetooth, fingerprint, M1 card, passcode, or key. Extended battery life. Experience up to 10,000 normal openings with a 12-month battery life, reducing frequent replacements. Number 4. The RAYKUBE DQ06 Smart Lock is a modern keyless entry system designed for sliding doors, glass doors, wooden doors, and apartment entrances. It supports multiple unlocking methods and is built for outdoor durability with IP65 waterproof protection. Key features. Multiple unlock methods. Supports fingerprint, mobile app, TTLock/Bluetooth, password/PIN code, IC card, mechanical key, emergency, TTLock app control, Bluetooth, manage access, add users, and view unlock history via smartphone. IP65 waterproof rating. Designed for outdoor use, resistant to rain, dust, and weather exposure. Slim sliding door design. Narrow body structure suitable for aluminum frame and sliding doors. Fingerprint security system. Fast semiconductor fingerprint recognition for quick unlocking. Number 3. Upgrade your home security with this advanced Bluetooth fingerprint door lock featuring multiple unlocking methods for maximum safety and convenience. Perfect for homes, apartments, offices, and rental properties. This smart lock works with the powerful TTLock app, allowing you to control access directly from your smartphone anytime, anywhere. Sparkle's key features. Heavy checkmark fingerprint unlock. Fast and highly secure biometric access. Heavy checkmark TTLock app control, remote access, user management and logs. Heavy checkmark PIN code unlock, easy password entry for family and guests. Heavy checkmark IC card access, quick tap to unlock convenience. Heavy checkmark mechanical key backup, emergency access option. Heavy checkmark touch screen panel, modern, durable and user-friendly design. Heavy checkmark Bluetooth connectivity, stable and fast connection. Heavy checkmark advanced security system, anti-theft and anti-peep protection. Number 2. Upgrade your home security with this advanced 3D face recognition door lock featuring next-generation biometric and smart access technology. Designed for maximum safety, convenience, and modern living. This smart lock works seamlessly with the Tuya smart app, allowing full remote control and real-time monitoring of your door anytime, anywhere. Sparkle's key features. Heavy checkmark 3D face recognition unlock, ultra-fast and highly secure biometric access. Heavy checkmark fingerprint unlock, advanced fingerprint sensor for instant entry. Heavy checkmark PIN code access, secure password protection for family and guests. Heavy checkmark IC card/NFC unlock, tap to unlock convenience. Heavy checkmark mobile phone unlock, control access via smartphone. Heavy checkmark video intercom system, see and communicate with visitors in real time. Heavy checkmark remote app control, manage users and access logs via Tuya smart app. Heavy checkmark mechanical key backup, emergency manual unlocking option. Heavy checkmark smart security protection, anti-peep, anti-theft, and encryption system. Number 1. This ultra-slim 2.8 cm waterproof sliding door smart lock, designed for modern homes, apartments, offices, and smart living spaces. Built with advanced biometric technology and multiple unlocking methods, it offers maximum convenience and top-level protection. This smart lock is fully compatible with the TTLock app and works with Alexa voice control, giving you smart access management anytime, anywhere. Sparkle's key features. Heavy checkmark ultra slim 2.8 cm design, perfect for sliding doors. Heavy checkmark waterproof build, durable for indoor and outdoor use. Heavy checkmark fingerprint unlock, fast and secure biometric access. Heavy checkmark password/PIN code, easy access sharing. Heavy checkmark IC card entry, simple tap to unlock. Heavy checkmark mechanical key backup, emergency access option. Heavy checkmark TTLock app control, remote management via smartphone. Heavy checkmark Bluetooth connectivity, stable and fast response. Heavy checkmark Alexa voice control support, smart home integration.